Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course guys, today I have a special unboxing. This is of the PS4 FIFA 20. And as you can see here, this is the case. This is brand new. It's still sealed. And just going through the unboxing. Now there is a regular edition. And there's of course the Champion edition with the additional DLC, which is the downloadable content. And of course, this is just the regular version. As you can see too, this is the official seal right here to indicate that it's a legitimate product. You can see the PS4 logo there, and then of course the information on the side here, and it does say EA Sports, and it does say FIFA official licensed product, and it's rated for everyone, which is the ESRB rating. Alright, so let's check it out right there. This is the side of the product. It says around here PS4 FIFA 20, and on the back, of course, again it runs through. It says break new ground from the streets to the stadium, and it gives you it in other languages as well, and it breaks down everything. There's a few notes here. It supports from 1 to 4 players if you have the hardware, 50 gig minimum for installing. It says 2 to 22 network players, and it does say it supports DualShock 4, online play optional, and of course says PS4 Pro Enhance, and it gives some other information here. You can pause at any time and read this for yourself. So I'm just gonna keep it steady, and there's a whole wealth of information here. You can also pause at any time and read through the information as well. See the ratings here, and it says it supports in-game purchases and so on. Other warnings and product information here. Next, I'm just gonna remove this from the case to make sure everything is okay and show you what the internals of the case looks like. Alright guys, so I open this up. As you can see here, I've just broken the seal, brand new. I'm just going to go ahead and take this out just to make sure and look at what's inside. Alright, so the seal is right there, and of course it opens right up, and it just got shaken around a bit. So I'm just going to secure this back in place. There you go, it's back in place. And of course here you see the disc itself, and it says FIFA 20 as usual. I like the color scheme with the blue and red. Shows everything right there. And of course over here it gives you some more information talking about PlayStation Plus and so on. So let me just open this up again. Alright, so let's check out what's here. It does give you some information here you can read, and the same on this side. I'm sure one side is English, the other side is another language. You can pause and read this for yourself as well. Here you go with the FIFA 20 Ultimate Team. And of course there's some more information here you can pause and read as well. Goes here as well, and it just go through some important information you can pause and read as well. Same here. Alright, let me just pop this back up. Alright, so that's about it. So this is all that comes with the FIFA 20. This is the regular edition. And of course, if you do get the DLC, you can get that separately. If you do buy the Ultimate Edition, you get all of the downloadable content in one package. Alright, so this is just what's inside. Let me see if anything is on this side over here. Alright, there you go. There's nothing. So let me just place this back. Alright, so that's it for the FIFA 20 unboxing, checking out what comes with this device. Alright, so this is Ricardo Ghana from Blog Tech Tips. Until another video, saying bye.